we're the team behind fAIrmer. So let's check out our app. fAIrmer is an app meant for farmers. Based on a farmer's region and acreage, they get recommendations for crops that produce the most yield and total revenue for the year based on climate data and market trends for the crops that are popular in their region. There are overview statistics as well as graphs and tables showing the reasoning for the trends in depth. So let's look into this. For the purposes of our MVP, we used the data set from the US as the data was most accessible to us and we had enough data to properly train our model. Given more time, we would have contacted a government from a third world country, as that's where our target audience is, and gotten proper data from them, but they were closed this weekend, so we couldn't really get access to that. So let's submit this, and we can see here that we've got our UI, which has got the top crops for the USA. And so over here, we've got a display of the expected yield percentage, the total revenue for this year, the selling price per crop, and information about it in general, like that has a great return on investment. At the bottom, we have our Streamlit integration, which is a visualization of the expected crop yield. So you can select a product for your region, like corn, tomato, or watermelon, for example, and you can look into the months of the year and the expected yield for each month. And over here, you can use these arrows to scroll through the different items and view data for each individual item. So we've got a few different on display here. And then if you click in the top right, you've got this display of another Streamlit integration we used. And this one is crop selling price data. So this is the market side and less of the climate side. And so here we've got our different products and their predicted market price data for the upcoming 6 months of 2024, for example. And then we've got a refresh button that will allow us to get live data on market trends. And we've also got an exit button to return to our home page. So it's a fully navigatable 3-page app. And thank you so much for listening to our demo.